Thinking about a career in games, film, animation and VFX? Let me show you what it's like at AIE. Our campuses are located in some of Australia's leading creative cities, including Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra and Adelaide. This isn't your traditional classroom. At AIE, you are building real projects from day one using the same tools as the industry. These are our game labs, dedicated spaces for game development, animation and VFX. Our virtual production studio brings film and real-time technology together, just like modern film sets. You'll learn camera, lighting and directing through hands-on production. All students get access to industry-standard gear, even outside class.
AIE places you inside a real creative ecosystem, building the skills, experience and portfolio to enter the industry.
Here at AIE, we have spaces to relax, connect and collaborate with other creatives.
If you are serious about a creative career, come and experience it for yourself. We'll see you on campus.